Hello everyone, welcome back to Nikki Fashions. If you've ever felt like your outfits look repetitive or unfinished, today's video is for you. Transform your basics with one simple accessory. Transforming your basics with one simple accessory means enhancing foundational outfits through strategic emphasis rather than complexity. A single item, such as bold earrings, a structured bag, or a defined belt, introduces contrast, focal direction, and stylistic intention. This approach preserves simplicity while elevating visual interest and polish. By leveraging proportion, texture, or color variation, minimal additions extend versatility, refresh repetition, and strengthen overall wardrobe efficiency and cohesion. We're talking about how to transform everyday basics using just one simple accessory. No full wardrobe overhaul, just a small addition that changes the entire visual impact of your look. I'll show you why this works, what types of accessories make the biggest difference, and how to style them easily. Let's get started. Segment 1. Why basics matter. Basics matter because they form the foundation of a versatile and functional wardrobe. Items like plain tees, neutral trousers, simple dresses, and denim are easy to mix, match, and layer, providing endless outfit possibilities. While inherently simple, they serve as a blank canvas that allows accessories, textures, and color accents to shine. Investing in quality basics ensures consistency, comfort, and longevity, making it easier to create polished, intentional looks without overcomplicating styling choices. Before we talk accessories, let's talk basics. Plain tees, denim, neutral dresses, simple trousers, knit tops. These pieces are valuable because they're versatile, comfortable, and easy to mix and match. But on their own, they can sometimes appear flat or predictable. Accessories introduce contrast, focus, and personality, helping those foundational pieces feel intentional and styled. Think of basics as the canvas and accessories as the finishing brushstroke. Segment 2. Why one accessory can change everything. One accessory can change everything because it introduces focus and intention to otherwise simple outfits. A single standout element redirects visual attention, adds contrast in texture or color, and signals deliberate styling. This prevents the look from appearing flat while preserving clarity and balance. By enhancing proportion or silhouette without clutter, one accessory efficiently elevates basics, delivering impact through restraint rather than layering multiple competing elements together. You don't need multiple additions to elevate an outfit. One well-chosen accessory works because it creates a focal point. The eye is drawn toward a defined area, giving the outfit structure. Adds texture or color contrast. This prevents visual monotony. Signals styling intention. Even minimal effort looks curated when accessorized. Maintains simplicity. Over accessorizing can overwhelm basics, while one piece keeps balance. Strategic minimalism often produces more refined results than layering many items together. Segment 3. Accessory Option 1. Statement earrings. Let's start with jewelry. How to style. Basic tee or dress. Minimal neckline. Bold or sculptural earrings. This immediately frames the face and elevates the look without altering the outfit itself. Why it works. Draws visual attention upward. Requires no layering changes. Is suitable for day or evening. This is one of the fastest styling upgrades you can make. Segment 4. Accessory Option 2. Structured bag. The structured handbag has strong visual impact. Pair with denim and top. neutral dress, monochrome outfit. The defined shape communicates polish and intention. Visual effect adds sophistication, introduces texture, contrast completes outfit architecture. Because bags are highly visible, they anchor the overall look effectively. Segment 5, Accessory Option 3, Belt Definition. Belt definition refers to using a belt to create structure and shape within an outfit. By cinching the waist or breaking visual blocks of fabric, it clarifies proportions and enhances silhouette balance. Applied to dresses, oversized tops, or basic separates, a belt introduces focus and refinement without altering the garment itself. This small adjustment elevates presentation, improves fit perception, and supports intentional styling across casual and polished contexts. Belts are functional and transformative. Use them to define waistline, break color blocks, adjust silhouette proportions. Adding a belt to a loose dress or oversized basics can instantly create structure. Result: more tailored appearance. Clear shape definition, elevated styling perception. Small placement adjustments create noticeable change. Segment 6, Accessory Option 4, Scarves or Wraps. Scarves or wraps function as adaptable accessories that introduce color, texture, and movement to simple outfits. Worn around the neck, over the shoulders, or attached to a bag, they create visual layering without bulk. Their flexibility allows seasonal adjustment and stylistic variation while maintaining comfort. By softening silhouettes and guiding attention, scarves enhance composition, making basics appear thoughtfully styled, balanced, and visually dynamic across settings. Scarves offer adaptability and softness. Styling options: around neck, over shoulder, attached to bag, head styling. They introduce color variation, movement, layered dimension. This makes even simple outfits appear thoughtfully composed. Segment 7, Practical Styling Guidelines. Practical styling guidelines focus on achieving balance, cohesion, and repeatable results. Start by prioritizing one focal accessory rather than multiple competing elements. Match scale and proportion to the outfit's structure, and coordinate tones to maintain harmony. Combine textures thoughtfully to create contrast without clutter. Select versatile pieces that integrate across outfits, and refine choices through experimentation, ensuring consistency, efficiency, and polished presentation over time. To consistently transform basics, choose intention over quantity. Focus on one standout element. Consider scale. Match accessory size to outfit proportions. Coordinate tones. Harmony improves cohesion. Maintain versatility. Invest in accessories usable across multiple looks. Experiment gradually. Observe how small changes affect perception. Mastery comes from refinement rather than excess. Transforming basics doesn't require complexity because effective styling relies on intention rather than volume. Small adjustments, such as introducing one accessory, refining proportions, or coordinating tones, can shift perception dramatically. This streamlined approach preserves clarity and prevents visual overload while maximizing versatility. By focusing on strategic enhancements instead of layered additions, you maintain efficiency, consistency, and polish, allowing simple garments to communicate refinement and deliberate presentation. Transforming basics doesn't require complexity, just thoughtful selection. A single accessory can add structure, personality, and visual clarity to everyday outfits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share which accessory you rely on most. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.